Exercise number 9.3, 18th problem. Okay. So the question is given to you. Find the sum of the to the n terms of the sequence. So given sequence I am writing here. The given sequence, is it visible to you? The board is visible to you.
Yes, sir.
The given sequence is 8, 88, 888 and so on. Okay, so this sequence sum to the n terms. Actually, this sequence, whenever you are observing, it is not a geometric progression, it is not an arithmetic progression. Because first term is 8, next term is 88, next term is 888. So it is not a arithmetic progression, not a geometric progression. First, you try to convert this sequence into the geometric progression in any way. Geometric progression की तरह convert करने के लिए try करो. So what we need to find out here? We need to find the sum of the n terms of this geometric progression. Sum of the n terms of above sequence will be written as 8 plus 88 plus and so on. 880, 88 like this n times. N times will be. Okay. So now here this can be written as 8 common element here from this. You take the 8 common here. 1 plus 11 plus and so on. And so on you write here 8 times. Every time 10 times will be there. So now here this is also not an arithmetic progression. So to convert this model problem you are having any very interesting question here. Okay. So what to do here in this case? You multiply the 9 and divide by the 9. 9, 99, 999 plus and so on n times. Here 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, like that n times. I am not saying to you here infinite number of times, n times. Here also n times. N times are there. Now here every 9 can be written as 9 can be written as 10 minus 1, 99 can be written as 10 square minus 1, 99, 999 can be written as 10 cube minus 1. So 8 by 9 into this is 10 minus 1 plus 10 square minus 1 plus 10 cube minus 1 plus and so on n times. So whenever you observe this one 8 by 9 into write all the 10 square 10 to the power of 10 square 10 cube. So here last में क्या होगा 10 to the power of n minus 1 होगा n times. So we are going to get 10 to the power of n minus brackets में ले लो 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 n times you are going to get. This is n times. This is which forms a geometric progression in which a is equals to 10 and common ratio r is also equals to 10. A is 10 and common ratio r is also equals to 10. So now what do you write here? 8 by 9. What is the sum of the n terms of the geometric progression? Sum of the n terms of the geometric progression. A n is equals to a into r to the power of n minus 1 by r minus 1. So here r is greater than 1. So that's why you have to take it here 10 into 10 to the power of n minus 1 by 10 minus 1 minus 1 n times if you add. What do you get here? N you are getting. So this is the final answer. If you want, you can simplify it. Still more simplification. What you can write is 10 minus 1 can be written as 9, or you can keep it like this as this. So the final answer is this one. Sum of the n terms of this given sequence. Given sequence is not a geometric progression, but we are converting it into the geometric progression. We are converting it into the geometric progression. इसको geometric progression में convert करना. Clearly समझ में आ रहा है ना?
Yes, sir.
हाँ?
Yes, sir.
Full board is visible to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is a problem here, and the remaining all the problems are not very difficult to you. Once you see here. In this next 19th problem is given to you. Find the sum of the products of the corresponding terms of the sequence. So this is also a little bit different today. Given two sequences. So what are the two sequences are given to you? So let us write here. What are the two sequences? One is 2, 16, 32. And other sequences 128, 32. The numbers I am writing here 8 to 1 9. So what is the question given? Sum of the products of the corresponding terms. प्रोडक्ट बोलते ये इससे मल्टीप्लाई करना है, 4 इससे मल्टीप्लाई करना है, 8 इससे मल्टीप्लाई करना है, 16 इससे मल्टीप्लाई करना है, 32 इससे. So like this you need to multiply the terms and their sum you have to find out. Sum of the products of corresponding terms. So what do you get here? 2 into 128 plus 4 into 32 plus 8 into 8 plus 16 into 2 plus 32 into 1 by 2. So this sum you need to, don't multiply the sum and directly don't multiply it. You can multiply and find the sum, but you can use it forms geometric progression, or what it forms you can take into consider, and in the simplest form also you can express it. See here, whenever you are taking this 2 1 to 16, the 16 is there everywhere here. Everywhere you will find out the 16, and that 16 if you take the common, or in the middle you are having 64. As 64 if you are taking common also you are going to get the sum. Any number which can be possible to you to take. Sir, if 64, how do you take the common? If you take the 64 common, here 1 by 2 you will get, here 1 by 4 you will get. If you take the 64 common, if you take the 16 common, also any number if you take the common, the resulting sum we are going to get as a geometric progression. Resulting sum you will get as a geometric progression. So now in any way you can do it. If you want, you can take the here 64 is there. I am taking 64 common. So the 2 into 2 here. 64 2s are 128 now. 32 into 2 64. So 2 only we are here 1 we get. Here 1 by 2 here 1 by 4. Because the geometric progression we are going to get in a simplest form. So this forms a geometric progression. 64 common area 4 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4. So this forms a geometric progression in which a is equals to the 4 and r is equals to 1 by 2. So how many terms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terms are there. So a5, so s5 you need to find. S5 is equals to a into 1 minus 1 to the power of n by 1 minus r. 1 minus 1 to the power of n by 1 minus r. Did you get my point here?
Yes, sir.
So now here 64 into a is what first term is 4, 1 minus r is 1 by 2, 1 by 2 to the power of 5 by divided by 1 minus 1 by 2. So we are going to get it as 64 into 4 into 1 minus 1 by 32 by 1 by 2. By 1 by 2 is 1 minus 1 by 2 here we are going to get. So 64 into 4 into we are going to get 31 by 32 into 2. 32 2s are 62. 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. 16 into 31. 16 1 is 16, 16 is 481 is the sum of the resulting sequence. Sir, what is the necessity, sir? Now directly if you add here itself, we are going to get the sequence and the sum we are going to get in easiest way. You may get out. Yes, you will get it. The same sum if you find out ये दोनों का sum find out करो, दोनों का sum find out करो, 16 add करो. But you need to use the geometric progression. Suppose in case this question is given to you in your examination. Suppose I am saying, sir, without using the geometric progression, if we do that, we will get the marks or not. You may get it out. Yes, you will get the marks. It is not mentioned that geometric progression to be used. Geometric progression use करना है बोलकर तो किधर भी mention नहीं किया है. So easily you can do it. Now let us move to the next question. Show that the product of the corresponding terms of the sequence. ये तो easily कर सकते हैं. Forms a geometric product of the corresponding A and capital A multiply करो. AR and capital AR multiply करो. So the common ratio will be the same here. So which forms geometric progression? इसमें कुछ नहीं है प्रो करने के लिए, simple question. 21st problem, whenever you are taking, find the 4 numbers forming a geometric progression in which the third term is greater than the first term by the 9. And the second term is greater than the fourth by the 18. Two conditions are given here. I think so. So here, what to do here in that situation? So here, what to do here in this situation? Find the 4 numbers forming the geometric progression in which the third term is denoted by problem number is 21. Third term is denoted by A3. A3 is greater than the first term. First term is denoted by A and A1. So A1 से A9 ज़्यादा है plus 9. So this AR to the power of AR square is equals to A plus 9. This is the one condition is given. And the second term is AR square. Second term is greater than the fourth term. Fourth term से second term ज़्यादा है. So second term is greater than the fourth term. Fourth term से कितना ज़्यादा 18 ज़्यादा. So this AR you can write here AR cube plus 18. So now here what you can find out, how do you find out the A and R values is very essential. Did you get my point here?
Yes, sir.
Question समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
हाँ? No.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So here in this situation, what to do here? A R square second third term is 9 greater than the first term, and second term is 18 greater than the fourth term. This is the condition given. I have written this in the form of the in a form here. It is given to you different form. A equation, and 2 equations we are going to get it. So from these 2 equations, what you can write here? See here, AR square minus A is equals to 9. AR minus AR cube is equals to 18. You can write, isn't it? Now here A you take the common, then R square minus 1 you get is equals to 9. From this AR's you can take the common. 1 minus R square is equals to 18. Now you divide these 2 equations. This is 1 and 2. Second equation divided by first equation in mass. AR into 1 minus R square is equals to 18 divided by A into R square minus 1 is divided by 9. So what do you get here? A will get cancelled. And here if you take the minus common, minus R you are going to get. Minus R is equals to 2. From this R is equals to, minus 2. R is equals to, we are going to get minus 2. R is equals to minus 2, you substitute in this equation. First term you are going to get it. If you get the first and common ratio, automatically you can find out the any number of the terms. Okay? Substitute this in this equation or that equation. Substitute R is equals to minus 2 in equation number 1. This is A into minus 2 square means 4 minus 1 is equals to 9. A into 3 is equals to 9. A is equals to 3. So therefore first 4 terms is asking you to find out. The first 4 terms easily you can find it. Can you find out? Okay?
Yes,
so
sir.
it's not a very difficult to you. And even 22nd problem also just directly substitution only you are going to do. Is the board visible to you clearly? I am getting better over it.
Yes, sir.
So in this exercise, the different problems, 22nd is easy only. It's not very difficult to do. Okay. And 23rd problem here. If the first and nth term of the geometric progression are a comma b respectively, and if the p is the product of the n terms, then prove that p p square is equals to ab whole to the power of n. First and nth term of the geometric progression are a comma b. First and nth term of the geometric progression are a comma b. So here just to prove करना है, substitute कर लिया तो automatically you are going to get. It's not a, it is also simple problem only. Okay, I think you can do it. It's not very difficult to you. So difficult problem is 25th problem. Even 24th also very simple here. 25th you may feel it is difficult. That is also not difficult. So a, b, c, d are in geometric progression. Then show that a square plus b square plus c square into b square plus d square c square plus d square is equals to ab plus bc plus cd whole square. A, B, C, D are in geometric progression. Here it is here. So this is very important question. That's why I am explaining to you this question. So the question is given to you. Sirf A, B, C, D are in geometric progression. A, B, C, D are in geometric progression. And here the question is asking a square plus b square plus c square into b square plus c square plus d square is equals to ab plus bc plus cd plus cd whole square is asking you to prove. Okay, so individually you take into consider here. So what you can write, given a, b, c, d are in geometric progression, given a comma b comma c comma d are in geometric progression, then what you can write here, b is a geometric mean of a and c. B is a geometric mean of a and c. Or you can write b by a is equals to c by b is equals to d by c. Isn't it? Here some results are there. That results you need to be very carefully, you need to note down. समझ में आ रहा है? So when the four terms are in geometric progression, b square is equals to ac, c square is equals to bd, and the product of middle two terms is equals to product of last two terms. We are going to get it. How do we get that one? Normally, a is equals to, if you think b is the geometric mean of a and c, so we are going to get b square is equals to ac. You consider this as a first equation. And c is the middle term of the b and c, so c square is equals to bd. You are going to get this is second equation. And the product of bc is equals to product of ad. You are going to get this is third equation. How do you get product of bc is equals to product of a into b? Product of b into c. You consider this is first term. Second term ar. See ar square ar cube. ये दोनों का प्रोडक्ट क्या है? a square r cube. ये दोनों का प्रोडक्ट क्या है? a square r cube. So middle two numbers, the four numbers are given to you in geometric progression, and middle two numbers product will be equals to the product of the first and
The
last.
first and fourth term. Last term.
What?
First and last term.
Yes. So to simplify this here, what is required to us to prove here? हमको required thing क्या है? We need to prove that a square plus b square plus c square is into b square plus c square plus d square is equals to ab plus bc plus, what is given to you, ab plus bc plus cd whole square, isn't it? ab plus bc plus cd whole square. Yes. So observe properly here. B plus d whole square ab. This can be done. See here, in multiple ways you can do it. It's not mandatory that you need to do it in only one way. Okay. So you can do it in different ways, and here factorization also, LHS and RHS separately you take. LHS को separately ले लो, उसको simplify कर लो. RHS को separately ले लो, उसको simplify कर लो. But expand कर लो. Everything you try to convert into the same terms. Same terms में convert करने के लिए try करो. Then you are going to get it. You need to prove this one is equals to this one means. So first thing is what here? ये दोनों को multiply कर लिया तो completely in the square you are going to get. If you multiply these two, okay, let us take the LHS into consideration. So what do you get here? A square plus B square plus C square, B square plus C square plus D square. So इसको multiply करो A square B square आ जाएगा. This is A square B square. Like this, A square C square, A square C square, A square B square, B power 4, B power 4 plus B square C square plus B square D square plus again B square C square plus C power 4 plus C square D square. So B square C square 2 times we are going to get it. B square C square and B power 4 C power 4 here and still anything is repeated? No. So this is expansion. ये side में रखते and RHS को इसकी RHS की consider and you try to convert into this form. ये form में convert करने के लिए try करो. Okay. So RHS में क्या दिया है? AB plus BC plus CD whole square. So A plus B plus C whole square expansion करने से पहले ये दोनों से C common ले लो and B plus D लिखो whole square. You try to expand it to get this one. ये आने के लिए try करो. Okay, because A square B square, A plus B whole square expansion, A plus B whole square expansion. So what do you get here? Plus 2ABC into B plus D plus C square into B plus D whole square. Okay, इधर तक समझ में आया? Next what you will hear?
Yes, sir.
Algebra, if you know algebra properly, then you will be able to do it. Algebra आपको सही से आना है. If you know the algebra, then you are going to get it. It's not a difficulty. Next what you write here? 2ABC square C. I am multiplying this one 2ABC to the B. 2ABC B को multiply करना. 2AB square C. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next 2ABCD ये इससे मल्टीप्लाई करें. नेक्स्ट C स्क्वायर को वैसे रख के एंड A plus C whole square expand करें. C square into sorry B plus D expand करें here. So whenever you are observing here properly, C square, B and D. But expanding कर रहे तो whether you will get it or not. B plus D whole square. Expand करके देखो, but you need to replace the terms with the given terms in any way. A square B square is there, okay? B square plus 2B no BB plus B square. So which is equals to A square B square plus 2AB square C. A square C square. Here A square C square is there. 2B square is there. B square place में AC if you write. In the place of B square if you write AC, 2A square C square you write. But 2 times of A square C square is not there. Let us do one thing here. BC is equals to AD now. Here BC place में AD replace कर दिया तो completely A में आ जाएगा. हाँ yes. Better you write like that. You can proceed like this also. You are going to get it 2A square B C square. A square C square 2 times B. So B square C square is 2 times AD. AD का place में BC लिखना है. Here AD का place में BC लिखना है. 2B square C square you are going to get. Next B square C square. Expand करके देखो 2AB square C plus 2ABCD plus B square C plus 2bc square b plus c square d square. C square d square, C square d square you are having, A square d square, A square d square you are having, AD, A square d square, AD, this is can be replaced by AD, and C power 4 unit, BD can be replaced as C power 4, but B power 4 we are not getting, B power 4, here B power 4 is there, B square AC. Yes, B power 4. Yes, you do one thing here. Small changes only you need to do here. A square, B square. Observe that here 2 times of A, B square C. I am writing 1 time of A, B square C and A, B square C. Why? Because observation only you need to do that. Yeah, observe why? Because 1 time A square B may in the place of AC, if I write B square, B power 4 are there. This term we are going to get it. And A B square C is there. See here, this simplification can be done in different ways. आप पहले भी चेंज करके भी कर सकते हैं, बाद में चेंज करके भी कर सकते हैं. And here whenever one term is you are going to get, and A B square C here you are having. A B square C. So AC can be written as and B power 4 1 time B square AC. Here let us see 2 ABCD and we are having B square C square na? B square C square 2 AD into BC. This BC I will replace by again AD. BC is equals to AD. So this I will write AD. Otherwise AD को BC से replace कर दो, BC into BC. Because from here, just replacing only. So next, B square C square, B square C square, B square C square here it is there, plus 2BCD square. So here C power 4 unit. So BD can be written as AB split curve. 2 times whenever we don't want 2 times, we want only 1 time C power 4 here we are having. ये absorb करना है, ये absorb करके, so इधर BD का प्लेस में C square लिख दिया तो C power 4 हो जाएगा. इधर भी AC का प्लेस में B square लिख दिया तो B power 4 हो जाएगा. So remaining what can be replaced that you need to. So इसको मैं क्या करूँ? B square BC square B BC square B and C square B square. Simplification can be done in any way. So now here what I will do? A square B square. This AC I am replacing by the B square. So B square into AC. So AC I am replacing by the again B square. Now A B square C plus 2 B square C square plus B square C square 3 times हो गया. And A square B square we are not having. Yes. Here this B square C square BC can be written as AD. AD is we are not getting here any values. We are having AD here. So this can be replaced by AD. AD A square B square plus here C square you replace by C square को BD में replace कर दो. C square को BD में replace कर दो. So अगर BD को C square में replace करो, BD को C square में replace करो. So C square into BD. BD can be written as again C square. B C square B and C square B square. So what are the terms we are getting? All tick कर दो once. A square B square, A square B square. B power 4, B power 4. Here I am underline कर रहा हूँ. क्या क्या complete हो गया? A square B square, A square B square. B power 4, B power 4. ये हमारा हम चेक करना है. किधर कन्वर्ट करना? 2B square C square को B square C square B square C square है. And A square B square A square B square. C power 4 C power 4. and c square d square c square d square. So what is left over here? Still a square c square and b square d square. A square c square and b square d square. So here इसको चेंज करना है बेस ऑन दिस. So a square c square ये bc you write as a b square can be written as ac. So ये this b square can be written as ac. ac कर लो. So a square b square plus b power 4 ac into this is ac. Now a square c square is required that we are getting plus 2b square c square. So इसको split कर लो if one b square c square plus b square c square plus a square b square plus c power 4 plus here also c square is replaced by bd. C square is replaced by bd so b square b square plus c square b square. So required result is this both are same. ये ऑब्जर्व करते हैं इसको स्प्लिट करना just a simplification only nothing else. But you have to replace these terms. ये use करके इधर replace करते जाना. So that can be done in different ways. यही एक मेथड है ये आप पहले भी चेंज करके भी कर सकते हैं. If you want ये BC का प्लेसमेंट AD लिख दो, AD के लिख के सिंप्लीफाई कर दो और रिप्लेस कर लो. Where we are replacing that you need to be little bit careful. Okay, so this is the one problem here. Little bit difficult है ये until and unless you practice. But I request you not to mug up the problem. ये प्रॉब्लम स्टेप्स को मग अप कर लिया तो कंपलसरी मैं बोल रहा हूं कंफ्यूज हो जाएगा. यू आर नॉट सपोज्ड टू रिमेंबर दिस स्टेप्स. आई एम सेइंग टू यू इट टुक सम टाइम बट यू ट्राई टू डू द सेम थिंग इन डिफरेंट वेज. पहले रिप्लेस करके चेक कर लो उधर से इधर से ये ऑब्जर्व करना है. दिस वन व्हाट वी नीड टू गेट दैट वी नीड टू ऑब्जर्व प्रॉपर्ली. सो डिपेंडिंग अपॉन दैट यू आर गोइंग टू गेट इट रिक्वायर्ड रिजल्ट. समझ में आया? Did you understand here? Once again explain करो.
Yes, sir. Once again.
See, right hand side is need to consider. Right hand side expand कर रहे हैं. ये तो simple है. Left hand side whenever you are taking it to consider AB plus BC plus CD whole square.
Sir, board is not clearly visible.
For all.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Sometimes,
Blur हो गया.
sometimes, sir. Sometimes. Often it is clear. Often not clear, sir.
What? Tell me again. Hello. Can you hear me?
Sir, he is
Yes, sir.
saying sometimes not clear, sometimes clear.
Oh. अभी clearly अभी दिख रहा है.
No, sir.
Sir,
Clear.
little blurry.
Wait, I will try to rejoin again. Is it okay now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So what I did here, see here I am saying to you, if you want here, ये expansion easy होने के लिए I did like this. Expansion easy करने के लिए, if you want a plus b plus c whole square expansion, a stretch also you can do. ये भी a plus b plus c whole square expansion if you are doing x square plus b square plus c square, like that same expansion you are this one only final result you are going to get it. A plus b plus c whole square is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2c. See here, a square plus b square plus c square 2ab 2bc 2c. Exactly. Here से इधर तक आप लोगों को कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. I think so. Isn't it? वो even from T here you can do the direct expansion of a plus b plus c whole square also. Now afterwards what you need to do, just हम लोग ये equation, this expression and this expression should be observed properly. इसको ऑब्जर्व करना है, इधर से रिप्लेस करना है. व्हाट आई डिड हियर, ये a स्क्वायर b स्क्वायर है, c स्क्वायर d स्क्वायर है, इधर भी a स्क्वायर b स्क्वायर c स्क्वायर d स्क्वायर फर्स्ट टाइम लास्ट टाइम. ये these two terms I get as it is, but ये बीच में 2 a square b 2 times of a b square c, I have split this one into a b square c a b square c. one time I did ac का प्लेस में b square लिख दिया है और इधर b square का प्लेस में ac लिख दिया है. समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
Here both are same way. B square is equal to AC. First equation observe करो. इधर one time AC का प्लेस में B square लिख दिया है. Second प्लेस में B square का प्लेस में AC लिख दिया है. So that what I will get here B square का प्लेस में here itself if you want you can write here A into AC और here AC square. Sorry, A square C square. A square C square. See here, इसको split कर दिया है and once I replace the AC by the B square, second time I replace the B square by the AC. Reverse. Because here we are having B to the power of 4 once. And next A square C square is there that we are not getting here. Next, ये 2ABCD है ना, ABCD में BC को ऐसे ही लिख दिया है AD, and that AD I wrote as a PC again. This one's third equation use करनी. Next, B square C square as it is है. ये भी इधर भी I have splitted this into two parts. Two parts में split कर दिया है. B 2 times of BC square D को BC square D BC square D. Now BC square D में one C square का प्लेस में BD लिख दिया है, another BD का प्लेस में C square लिख दिया है. See here, BD का प्लेस में C square लिख दिया है, and here if you want here itself also you can write here. I wrote here BD into D. C square का प्लेस में BD लिख दिया है. And remaining term is as it is. Then after you expand it, you are going to get it. Simple है, इसमें बहुत ज़्यादा complicated किधर भी नहीं है.
सर आपने लास्ट स्टेप में बी स्क्वायर सी स्क्वायर की जगह ए स्क्वायर डी स्क्वायर लिखा है सर, वो समझ नहीं आ रहा.
Where?
लास्ट सेकंड स्टेप में सर.
A square B square.
ए स्क्वायर डी स्क्वायर सर, डी स्क्वायर.
हाँ?
ए स्क्वायर डी स्क्वायर.
A square B square.
यस सर. सर वहाँ
See, ये 2 times of B square D square. This B square C square. BC is equals to AD1. BC is equals to AD1.
यस सर. हाँ.
So BC is replaced by AD. So A square D square.
यस सर.
Actually, B square C square, if you give it 3 times of B square C square, you will get it. 3 times of B square C square. Here 3 times B square C square by B square C square only 2 times is there. So one more B square C square I am writing as a AD. So this one replaced by AD, and these दोनों को split कर दिया है, ये ऐसे लिख दिया. Even if you want here itself also you can replace, but better thing is that you keep this one as it is. All the squares and power force इसको change करते जाओ, then you are going to get it required result. Did you get my point?
यस सर.
सिंपल है, मल्टीपल वेज में कर सकते हैं ये, ऐसे ही है, but this is a little bit easy method here. So but the thing is that you are not supposed to remember the steps. Steps याद नहीं रखना है, मगअप नहीं करना है इसको. If you try to remember, then you will not get it. So try to solve this problem here today itself after completion of the class, so that you will be able to do it. And very important problem है, ये बहुत बार repeat हो गया है. You may expect these questions, these model questions every time. Exam में expect कर सकते हैं. So please try to remember this. Okay? Next. 26th question, insert the two numbers between the 3 and 81 so that the resulting sequence is geometric progression. Now the thing is that inserting geometric means between the two numbers. Okay, so what do you write here? 3. Let us consider the a comma b comma 81, where these two numbers are, I am inserting these two numbers as a geometric means two numbers inserted, which forms a geometric progression. Therefore 81 a is equals to क्या है 3 है, and 81 का number क्या है, fourth term, so a4 is equals to 81, so a r to the power of 3 is equals to 81, so r cube is equals to 81 by a is 3 here, r cube is equals to 81 by 3, 3 1 is 327, so r cube is equals to 3 cube, r is equals to 3. A and R values are there. Okay, if you get confused, instead of A and A here, you can consider this is common ratio here 3R square, here 3R cube. Like that also you can write. So when what you will here, therefore the two numbers what you will get here, if you want here capital A capital B भी ले सकते हैं, because already small a is here denoting, so that's why I am taking here. Whatever it may be, that doesn't matter. Capital A is equals to क्या है, A R square. So A is 3 है, 3 sorry A R second term. Capital A is second term. Second term बोले तो A2 चाहे तो A2 लिखो. ये A2 है, A3 है, A4 है. So A4. Simple problem है. So what do you get here? 3 into 3 which is equals to 9. Capital B is equals to A R square. 3 into 3 square. So 3 into 9 which is equals to 27. ये 3 है, 9 है, 27, 81. So whenever the in between the two numbers geometric means are inserted, if A and B are the two numbers, between these two numbers n geometric means are inserted, which n numbers if you write, it forms geometric progression. Then the common ratio R is equals to B by A whole to the power of 1 by A plus 1. This is a formula. For arithmetic progression, when n terms are inserted, n numbers are inserted between the two numbers, n arithmetic means there n b by a by n plus 1. Common difference b is equals to. Here, same logic you can apply here. If you want to find out the common ratio, b by a, that 81 by 3, 81 by 3, 27. Whole to the power of how many numbers is asking you to find out here? 80, इसमें substitute करो 81 by 3 whole to the power of 2 numbers are asking, 2 plus 1 3. So what do you get here? 27 whole to the power of 1 by 3. So 3 power 3 whole to the power of 1 by 3. 3 you get cancel common ratio 3. As we are getting here simple way, the same directly you can substitute in the formula and you can find out. So inserting n arithmetic means and geometric means between the two numbers. Arithmetic means between the two numbers, so formula is b is equals to b minus a by n plus 1. Okay, so this is little bit extra hai, so it's not the same here. Okay, now let us go to the next question here. समझ में आया ना ये प्रॉब्लम? I think it is not
Yes, sir.
Okay, next question is find the value of n such that may be the geometric mean between the two. That's a very simple question. 27. 28 question. The sum of the two numbers is 6 times their geometric mean. And show that they are in the ratio of the 28th problem is, you may feel difficult but it is very simple here. 27th explain karo. Geometric mean is given to you a power n plus 1 plus b power. Geometric mean between the two numbers formula क्या है? What is the geometric mean between the two numbers? Under root of ab. So उसको square करके explain करो. Root ab आना है हमको. Root area, so you can choose the n value, what can be chosen here, that you need to find out here. So it's not a very difficult to you, okay? If you feel that the question is given to you here, the two numbers, given the condition is what is given here, the condition is given that find the value of the n, a power n plus 1 plus b power n plus 1, a power n plus 1 plus b power n plus 1 by a power n plus b power n. Isn't it? Maybe the geometric mean between the two numbers. This is equals to under root of AB. Geometric between the two numbers means it is equals to under root of AB. So इसको क्या करना है? We need to find out n value. What n value to be chosen to get this value answer. So squaring on both sides करो. Simplification only will be the more here and nothing else. Just you need to simplify it, and afterwards easily you can find out the value here. Simplify कैसे करते हैं? Squaring on both sides. A power n plus 1 plus b power n plus 1 whole square by a power n plus b power n whole square is equals to a into b. इसको expand करें राइट साइड लेके जाओ, and इसको expand करो. A power n plus 1 whole square plus b power n plus 1 whole square plus 2 into a power n plus 1 into b power n plus 1 is equals to a into b into, इसको भी expand करो. Directly I am writing here a power 2n plus b power 2n plus 2 a power n into b power n. Now expand over here. 2, what do you get here? A power 2n plus 2 plus b power 2n plus 2 plus 2 into a power n plus 1 b power n plus 1 as it is you write. 2 into a power n plus 1 into b power n plus 1 is equals to a b multiply करते हैं. इधर a b multiply कर लिया तो b into a power 2n plus 1 a into, and here a into b power 2n plus 1 plus 2 into a power n plus 1 b power n plus 1. So this term and this term will get cancelled. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So now here what you can write here, wherever a power is there, that terms you write together. A power 2n plus 2, a power इधर है a इधर minus b into a power 2n plus 1 is equals to a into b power 2n plus 1 minus b power 2n plus 1. From these two, what you can take common? A power 2n plus 1 you can take the common. You will get a minus b. A extra है ना? In the same way, from these two, b power 2n plus 1 you can take the common. You will get a minus b. As a minus b, a and b are not equal, a minus b will get cancelled. So now what do you get here? A power 2n plus 1 is equals to b power 2n plus 1. So a by b whole power 2n plus 1 is equals to 0. Sorry, this is equals to what you get? 1 you will get. 1 can be written as something to the power of 0. These two are powers are equal, bases are different. Then it is possible to you when the powers are equals to 0 only. So that can be shown to you like this. This is equals to 1 here, and this can be written as a by b whole to the power of 0. So therefore you can get 2n plus 1 is equals to 0, n is equals to minus 1 by 2. Is it okay? समझ में आया?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes, sir.
28th problem होगा. So 20 simplification algebra is only more here. So sum of the two numbers is 6 times their geometric mean. Sum of the two numbers you consider a and b. Two numbers को consider करो a and b. And if you consider a and b, and the sum of the two numbers is 6 times the geometric mean. So square करके simplify करना. Then after it is given that to show that the numbers are in the ratio 3 plus 2 root 2. A is to b, b is to a. Find out करना है. So let the numbers be a comma b. So given that equals to sum of the two numbers is equals to 6 times geometric mean. So a plus b is equals to 6 into under root of a. A plus b is equals to 6 into under root of a. Squaring on both sides, what you can get? A plus b whole square is equals to 36ab. You are going to get a plus b whole square. And from this, what you can write here? A minus b whole square kya aayega? Because a plus b is there, a minus b is there. And what is asking you to find out? The two numbers you need to find out. A kya hai, b kya hai, find out karna. Okay, the ratio is asking you 3 plus 2 root 2, 3 minus 2 root 2. So we need to find out. When you are having sum of the two numbers, difference of the two numbers, if you have, वो दोनों को add कर ले तो automatically you are going to get it, the required result. Isn't it? A plus b if you are having a minus b. So a minus b whole square expansion formula क्या है? A plus b whole square minus 4ab, which is equals to a plus b whole square is equals to 36ab minus 4ab. So which is equals to 32ab. From this a minus b is equals to under root of 32ab you are going to get. So this you consider as the first one. This is second equation considered 1 plus 2. Then what do you get here? A plus b plus a minus b is equals to 6 root ab minus plus under root of 32ab. Okay. A plus b plus a minus b is equals to 6 root ab plus 30 root 32 ab. दोनों को ऐड करें. So root 32 root 32 root ab because a minus b root a. Root 32 root a. So if you want here root 32 can be written as the question is given to you 3 plus 2 root 2 na. 3 plus 2 root 2. So here a value we need to find out here. So bb will get cancelled. 2a is equals to. So root ab if you want you will take the common root ab. Root ab को common ले लो. So what you can get 6 plus root 32. This root 32 can be written as root 32 को 16 2 से 32 ना 4 root 2 लिख सकते हैं. You can write it as a 4 root 2 32. So, but here a value we are not able to get it directly, and from this you can take the 2 common. Ratio is asking that let it be as it is. A is equals to what is it here? 2 common level from this 2 root ab 3 plus 2 root 2 by 2. ये 2 इधर आया 2 भी लेंगे. So let it be like this, and 1 minus 2 पर b आ जाएगा ऐसे. First equation minus second equation. A plus b minus a minus b is equals to 6 root ab minus. Here itself, if you want, you are writing 4 root 2 ab. Okay. So what do you get here? A plus b minus a plus b is equals to root ab को common ले लिया तो 6 minus 4 root 2 you are getting. Same thing. From this a will get cancelled. 2b is equals to 2 common. 2 root ab 3 minus 2 root 2. So 2 to get a value b value. Now the ratio of these two numbers is asking you to find out. So a by b is equals to root ab into 3 plus 2 root 2 by root ab into 3 minus 2 root 2. So root ab root ab will get cancelled. So the ratio of the two terms will be equals to 3 plus 2 root 2 by 3 minus 2 root 2. So this is a question asking you to find out. समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
Huh? It's not a very difficult.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next question also important question 29. So I am taking a little bit more time. Please be on the line as the network problem is there starting today. So I couldn't take the class. So we will complete this exercise. Just some problems will be there, but every problem is mostly important only. So these last starting problems, last problems are. So that's why I am continuing the class. So 29th problem, A, G are the arithmetic mean and geometric mean of the two positive numbers. Then they prove that the numbers are means the two numbers are means that what two numbers you are taking that are they are asking here. So given that what is given here, A is a arithmetic mean, G is a geometric mean of the two numbers, and the two numbers let us consider as a and B. And the ratio of the two numbers. Previously, whatever we did the same day only, this problem also, but instead of the instead of the numbers here it is given to use the variables a and g. So let the two numbers as a just let the two numbers pass the experiment down. So easily let the two numbers a comma b, and it is given that their arithmetic mean a is equals to a plus b by 2. A plus b by 2, and geometric mean g is equals to under root of a. This is the given thing. So from this you need to find out the a and b. So what do you get here? 2a is equals to a plus b, g square is equals to a. You are having sum of the two numbers and product of the two numbers. Then you can find out the difference of the two numbers. And from the difference of the two numbers can be extracted. Did you get my point here? Sum of the two numbers, product of the two numbers is there. Then from the difference of the two numbers also you can find out. How do you find out? A minus b whole square is equals to a plus b whole square minus 4ab. Isn't it? A minus b whole square is equals to, it is given to you. And from that, a plus b whole square minus 4ab you can do. And from this under root you can take into consider root, afterwards you will take. So 2a whole square minus 4 into g square. Now what do you get here? 4a square minus 4g square. 4 common layer. A square minus g square. So therefore you are going to get a minus b is equals to 2 into under root of a square minus g square. So if you want, you can write under root of a square minus g square as a plus g into a minus g. So you got a plus b, yes, a plus b and a minus b. A plus b को फॉर्मूला समझ लो 2 समझ. Now 1 plus 2 करो, 1 plus 2 implies first equation, second equation. Add करने तो 2a आएगा. 2a is equals to 2a. ये दोनों को ऐड करने तो 2a plus 2 into under root of a plus g into a minus g. So from this 2a is equals to 2 common ले लो, a plus under root of a plus g into a minus g. So 2 will get cancelled. A is equals to a plus under root of a plus g into a minus g. Same way 1 plus 2 कर लिया तो ऐसा है, 1 minus 2 कर लो, then you are going to get b. इधर minus आ जाएगा. Same thing as it is, you will get b is equals to 1 minus 2 कर लिया तो b is equals to a minus under root of a plus g into a minus g. The ratio, these two का ratio is asking you to find out. Then the positive numbers are, prove that the numbers are, one number is plus, another number is minus. That is only asking you to prove. It's not difficult, but variables are given to you. Did you get my point?
Yes, sir.
30th question देखो. The number of the bacteria in a certain culture doubles every hour. If there are 30 bacteria present in the culture originally, how many bacteria will be present at the end of the second hour, fourth hour, and nth hour? Means second term, fourth term, and nth term you need to find out. Can you? It's not a difficulty. Same
Yes,
way,
sir.
31st problem is 500 rupees amount, 10 years period. So here, deposit in the bank and pays the annual interest at the rate of 10% of compound interest. When the compound interest is going on, so it is going to be calculated as a power. So already you know the compound interest formula क्या है? How do you get the compound interest formula? It's compound interest formula and amount you are going to get. Amount is equals to p into 1 plus 1 plus
R
r by
100 and yes, sir.
n is number of years or number of terms. Number of terms or number of years you are going to get it. So here in this case, here it is given to you. This is geometric progression only. What will be the 500 amounts to the in 10 years after a deposit in the bank, which pays 10 years के बाद पूछ रहे. So power 10 लेना है इधर. Normally find out कर ले तो वो geometric progression बन जाएगा. Okay. So next question is 32nd question. AM and geometric mean is given to you. AM and GM of the quadratic equations. This is also not difficult, but interesting question. इसमें mostly the problem is I think so that a square b square वाला problem है ना, नंबर क्या है 25th I think so. 25th problem is little bit different है, बाकी सब तो इतना different नहीं है. Okay, AM GM of the are the roots of the quadratic equation. AM is a GM are the roots of the quadratic equation. Sorry. If AM GM of the roots of the quadratic equation are 8, 5 respectively, then obtain the quadratic equation. Here it is given that arithmetic mean is 8, geometric mean is equals to 5. So same a plus b by 2 is equals to a and b, two numbers if you are considering. Roots of the quadratic equation you consider a comma b. A plus b by 2 is equals to 8. From the sum you are going to get. AB is equals to 5 you are going to get. Sorry. Root AB is equals to 5 you are going to get. From that AB you are going to get as 25. Sum you are having, product you are having. Difference easily you can find it, and A and B values find out कर सकते हैं. So the roots of the quadratic equation whose roots are a comma b क्या है? What is the quadratic equation whose roots are a comma b? A comma b as a roots quadratic equation क्या है? Constant a into x square minus a plus b into x plus ab is equals to 0. Quadratic equation if it is asking constant का जरूरत भी नहीं. If you want you can take the constant also. Some expression if you are asking then constant. इसको जरूरत है x square minus a plus b into a. A b values find out करना है in this problem. So what you get here? Geometric arithmetic mean is equals to this one given to you. So a plus b is equals to 16 आ जाएगा. And geometric mean is equals to 5 is given to you. From this AB is equals to 25. A plus b and AB is there. You can find out A minus B. And adding two numbers you are going to get the required result. समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
Simple problem है. So with this we are completed the sequence and the series is 9.3 exercise.